You had a first-hand experience of Operation Restore Order. Can you comment on Operation Restore Order, specifically to where some of these hiding places were, and how do you think the operation went?
Good evening, Travis. I was there to provide legal support as necessary. The operation went very well. The inmates who were to be extracted, those high-profile inmates that were deemed to be either a threat to the security of the prison or a threat for any number of reasons, were quickly extracted. Some of them resisted. The oldest inmate was the worst, as well as the youngest. Carl Brown, the oldest, 58 years old, and Treon Douglas, age 19. Both of them resisted, assaulted officers, and behaved very badly. But officers acted very professionally and used minimal force.
Do you think the contraband find, you think it could have been more?
Well, the contraband find, it's a difficult operation because the buildings are very old. I can say that the disappointing find was in respect to cell phones. There were only 4 cell phones found. So the question is, what became of the other cell phones? Because we know that much more cell phones were in that prison. So I don't know if the inmates pouched the cell phones or whether there was an integrity issue in terms of those cell phones. But only 4 cell phones were turned in by the officers from the search.
As prison attorney, would you recommend frequent searches of that Camp Street prison?
Yes, frequent searches would be an effective tool to combat contraband, but I think it needs much more than more searches. I think there has to be a system in place to stem the smuggling of cell phones in the prison.
Smuggling by who? Because I am told as well that officers might be responsible for this too.
Well, it is the case that some officers are compromised because of any number of reasons. It could be the low salary. It could be that they lack ethics, loyalty.
Thank you very much, Mr. Pieters, for your time. Thanks a lot.
Thank you.